Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your name on Nunchuk Wallet. So without further ado, let's get started. Open the Nunchuk Wallet application and log into your account if necessary. After you are signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, tap on the pencil icon right next to your display name at the top and erase your current name and replace it with a new one. Make sure to type in the name you would like to change to and tap on save. Once you are done, you have successfully changed your display name on Nunchuk Wallet. So that is how you can easily change your display name on Nunchuk Wallet within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.